Do you ever feel like cooking takes twice as long as it should? Not because the recipe is hard, but because you're constantly fighting inefficient tools? Whether it's the dread of peeling a mountain of potatoes or the stress of overcooking an expensive steak, the right kitchen gadget can turn everyday frustration into a smooth, enjoyable cooking experience. Today, we're counting down 5 genius Amazon kitchen gadgets that are actually worth the hype and will save you serious time in 2026. As always, all the product links are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices anytime. Now, let's jump right into the list.
Number 1. ProSmart Wi-Fi Wireless Meat Thermometer. If you're still tied to your oven or grill by tangled wires or constantly opening the door to check your food, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. The ProSmart Wi-Fi Wireless Meat Thermometer is completely wire-free and connects directly to your smartphone. You can monitor your food's temperature from anywhere in your home or even while stepping outside or running a quick errand. What really sets it apart is its dual sensor technology. It tracks both the internal temperature of the meat and the ambient cooking temperature at the same time. This allows the app to give you accurate, real-time estimates of exactly when your food will be ready. No more guesswork, no more dry chicken or overcooked steaks, just perfectly cooked meat every single time. Number 2. Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker. Homemade ice cream is fun until you remember how bulky and inconvenient traditional ice cream machines are. That's where the Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker comes in. This clever little device turns the entire process into a single serving experience. Just freeze the cooling bowl overnight, pour in your ingredients, press a button, and in about 20 minutes you have fresh ice cream, gelato, or sorbet right in the mug you eat from. It's perfect for portion control, dietary needs, or satisfying a late-night craving without filling your freezer with leftovers. The built-in ingredient chute lets you add chocolate chips, nuts, or fruit while it churns, giving you full control over every batch. Small, simple, and surprisingly powerful.
Number 3. Starfrit Rotato Express Electric Peeler. Peeling vegetables is one of the most tedious kitchen tasks, but the Starfrit Rotato Express makes it almost fun to watch. This electric peeler uses a rotating arm to remove the skin from potatoes, apples, cucumbers, and even kiwis in just seconds. Simply secure the produce, lower the arm, and press a button. The machine does the rest. It removes only the peel, minimizing food waste, and automatically stops when the job is done. It even includes a small thumb knife for removing potato eyes. If you struggle with hand fatigue, arthritis, or just hate prep work, this gadget is a total game changer. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. Not all salad spinners are created equal, and the OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner proves it. Instead of awkward cranks or pull cords, this model features a patented pump mechanism. Just press down on the soft knob with one hand, and it spins at high speed, removing every last drop of water from your greens. That dry lettuce makes a huge difference. Dressings actually stick instead of pooling at the bottom of the bowl. There's also a built-in brake button to stop spinning instantly, and the clear bowl is stylish enough to use directly as a serving dish. Simple design, brilliant results.
Number 5. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. Closing out our list is a true modern classic, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. This single appliance replaces 7 kitchen tools: a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté can, and food warmer. It's designed for speed and convenience, cooking meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. You can sauté directly in the pot, add your ingredients, seal the lid, and walk away. From quick weeknight dinners to tender pulled pork or homemade yogurt, the stainless steel inner pot ensures safe, chemical-free cooking. For busy households, this is one of the most valuable kitchen investments you can make. And there you have it, 5 genius kitchen gadgets that solve real cooking problems and actually deliver in 2026. Each one is designed to save time, reduce frustration, and make your kitchen work smarter, not harder. You'll find all the product links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future Amazon finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.